In this foreground um, part of the creek, I want it to be fairly calm water, so I'll wet the right over top of the log that I'm going to paint in there later. Just up to the edge of the weeds and rocks there. Smaller brush, 1/4 inch flat, with a bit of cadmium yellow on it. Start picking up the colors that I used in the fall leaves up there. This log is going to be darker than the water, so just a bit of cadmium orange, little burnt sienna, a little ultramarine blue in the burnt sienna to get this reflection of these rocks. I want to do this while this paper's wet, so I can paint the rocks later, but these vertical strokes will kind of make the water look shiny. I'm planning that the log will reflect a bit there too. Can always touch up the reflections after the paper's dry, but right now I just want to get the wet work done. And straighten it. Water's kind of rough and rippled up there in the distance. A few little horizontal ripples will help to flatten the surface and make it look kind of shiny. Just a little bit of ultramarine with some burnt sienna to put these gray rocks in, touch up the reflections. Same color, is a little more brown in this mixture to get the log, keep it a little lighter on the top. Keep changing the mix too, because the log is never just one value or one color. Grab a little more ultramarine on some brush loads and where these shadows might go. Obviously the reflection is going to need to be reinforced a little bit because that wet paperwork didn't make them dark enough. Now a real stiff oil painting brush to scuff up this foreground and get some dark weeds and grasses. Just keep it simple and help draw your attention into the picture more.